तेलंगाना के वज़ीर आला रेवंत रेड्डी ने हैदराबाद हाईटेक सिटी में CII नेशनल काउंसिल के इजलास का इफ्तिताह किया। इस मौके पर वज़ीर आला रेवंत रेड्डी ने ग्रीन बिजनेस सेंटर में एक पौधा लगाया। यहाँ पर वज़ीर आला रेवंत ने खिताब करते हुए कहा कि रियासती हुकूमत फोर्थ सिटी को आलमी मयार के शहर के तौर पर तामीर करने जा रही है। उन्होंने शुरका से कहा कि रियासत तेलंगाना सनतों के क़याम के लिए बिल्कुल मौजू है।
All these automobile investors or manufacturers are going to Tamil Nadu. Why? Because they have a port. That is why I have requested Prime Minister to lay down dedicated greenfield highway Machilipatnam port to Telangana, as well railway line. All outer ring road circle is 360 kilometers. Along with this triple R regional ring road, I have requested Prime Minister to lay down a railway ring line. Why? Because wherever I wanted to create clusters around this regional ring road to manufacturing or marketing anything. So I wanted to create a clusters like China. China is having one light city, the other one marble city, the other one granite city, the other one furniture city. They have created like a one city for they have focused more and more on that. So it is similarly, I wanted to make sure all along with this regional ring road. I wanted to create a space for all this marketing. And moreover, Telangana is going to, after regional ring road, Telangana area is going to come up with a 70% of the area urbanized. So where my international airport to all these areas you can reach hardly 30 minutes to 60 minutes. So this is the connectivity. So I have international airport connectivity, outer ring road, regional ring road, all along with the regional ring road. I wanted to lay down outer ring road to regional ring road, radial roads. So if someone wants to reach dedicated roads almost. So every dedicated road is having we have a plan for some specialized establishment. So it is more focus on automobile.